Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix squeaky windows as well as windows wherein the one touch feature doesn't seem to work all the time. Like this for example. Let's get started now. Squeaky windows are extremely irritating and in the long run, they can even damage the window regulator and window winder mechanism. Hence, getting it fixed as fast as possible is a good idea. A new window winder mechanism on this car would be approximately 10,000 and it's worth doing these small preventive maintenance steps to get them working properly and prevent expensive bills in the future. In this video, I am going to show you how to get these windows working smoothly with just WD-40 and a few earbuds, unlike this one is right now. Anyway, to get the job done, you actually require silicone spray, but as silicone spray is not readily available in all our houses, I am going to show you how to do the same thing with WD-40 and a few earbuds. With silicone spray, you can spray it liberally all over the beading of the window and go around the entire edge to ensure full coverage. Since we are using WD-40 and since WD-40 can be a little bit harmful to plastics, spray it on a earbud and run that earbud along the entire edge of the window to get full coverage. Don't be afraid, you're going to get a lot of black stuff because this car is 10 years old and I think probably 10 years old of dirt is coming out right now. So use plenty of earbuds, use the spray liberally only on the earbud and run the earbud along the entire edge and do multiple passes to ensure you get full coverage. And after 5 minutes of using WD-40 and these earbuds on the car, we have used 4 earbuds and now the earbuds are almost as black as the car itself. Let's now test if this DIY solution actually worked or not. Windows going down. Cool, no squeaks at all. Windows going up. Yeah, so there are a little bit of squeaking noise, but that will probably go off after 2 or 3 more passes with WD-40 and a few more earbuds. So guys, it looks like WD-40 has once again proved that it can absolutely handle anything and everything and get the job done. Even the one-touch automatic feature seems to be working perfectly fine after the WD-40 application. Yes, the squeak is still there slightly, but this did go off after a few more passes as you can see over here. So thanks for watching guys, I hope you found this video interesting and informative. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button also. Consider sharing the video with your friends if they have any window issues. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.